guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I do have my son. Say hi, Daniel. Say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah. So this is my Daniel, my poppers, my D3, my love, my everything. Those are just a couple of nicknames we have for him. And he is very spoiled, so you can tell. Alright, let's stay still so we don't move the cell phone. Alright, so today we're just going to be eating. We're going to be talking a little bit about him. Boy, you were thirsty, huh? Okay, so...
Mommy, eat my banana.
Yeah, baby, eat it.
Yeah, so with this.
So he loves the plate he has because... Oh, Jesus. Careful, baby. It does have a little straw. And he loves to get like the, drink the milk out of that. Or he loves it. Anyway, so today's video, I did want to just talk a little bit about him. So, he is 3 years old. How old are you, puppy?
2.
Yes. What's your name?
I'm Daniel.
Daniel what?
Daniel
Stop moving.
Walker.
Daniel Felix.
Daniel Field.
Yeah. And what's your favorite color? What color? Oh, Buzz Lightyear?
Yep.
Buzz Lightyear is your favorite character, puppy?
Finish for hours.
Yeah, somebody finished the hour?
Yep.
Oh no.
Yep, it's bad people.
Oh no, bad people. So, I do speak both languages to him, although since my husband only speaks English.
Because.
Yeah, baby.
I
do tend to talk English more, but I do talk to my mom like every day on the phone. And I do talk to him in Spanish, so to her in Spanish, so that's why I talk to him in Spanish as well. But you know, sometimes you get carried away.
This one or not?
Oh yeah, it's a straw.
Yeah.
So that's why I kind of.
Click, Mama.
You're welcome, baby.
Get out my banana. Nom, 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 nom.
Poppers, sit down, please. Sit down and eat.
Mommy, are you what bananas in the one?
I already finished them, puppy.
Hmm?
I already finished them. He talks so much, you guys.
Mommy, you eat bananas?
I did eat banana.
Huh?
Yeah.
One bite.
Okay, baby. off he goes. So I did put him in preschool. The same month I did have my daughter, and he has grown so much in like just talking wise. He talks so much. He's so smart. He knows what he wants. He knows what he doesn't want. He talks to his little friends. He has a little friend named Sammy that he, oh my gosh, he just always talks about. He's getting so big. He is a lot taller than a normal 3-year-old because his dad is a really tall guy. So, Bobby, don't wake up your sister, okay? So yeah, he I don't even have my wedding ring on. I just remembered. I usually have it off. I take it off during the night because it fits me a little bit big. He loves school. At first he didn't like it, you guys. At first he would cry when we would drop him off and stuff like that. And now he's actually good. He don't cry no more. He's happy to go to school. Do you like school, puppy?
Mm-hmm.
Tell them, I like school.
I like school.
So cute. So yeah, he does have his moments where he has tantrums. A lot of the words, he talks so much. He will repeat anything you say, but sometimes when you can't understand him, like something on YouTube or a game that he wants and we can't understand what he's trying to pronounce, he does get frustrated really quickly. He's so sweet to his sister. He loves her so much. He's always on her, always giving her kisses. And you know, it's crazy how having him be like a older sibling now, like the big brother, like his role he has just come into that role so good. Like he's such a great big brother, and he's so helpful, you guys. I think this age gap between them, they're 3 years apart. Their birthdays are literally 17 days apart. So exactly about 3 years apart. And he's just the best big brother ever. It's so great to see like him be a big brother. So basically, what I was trying to say, you guys, is that he has long hair. We love his long hair.
Whoa.
I mean, we always talk about cutting it, and then when it comes down to it, we don't do it. I love his hair. Right now it's a little crazy, but his hair does curl. Except from this side over here. Sometimes like gets wavy sometimes, but not.
Okay, cool, Mama.
Not curly enough. So sometimes that's why you can't really tell. But his hair is just, it curls up and it's so cute. And we love it. And we feel that his hair it's him.
What do for you, Mama? What do for you?
And it makes him. We like it. We enjoy it. We get asked a lot, when are we going to cut it? We are not sure ourselves, so that's why we can't even answer that. But yeah, we just love it. And we ask him, do you want to cut your hair?
No, but I don't like it here, Mama.
You don't like it? Okay. In probably my next video or the next one, just talk about the real struggles of having multiple kids. I have two, and I can talk about my experience with 2 kids. But yeah, I just wanted to make that video a very raw one. So I might be talking about that in my next video. I have so many ideas on on stuff I want to talk about. I hope all my videos come to what I actually want them to be. And I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video. I am excited to show you guys all the plans I have for this whole year. Like, this whole year is going to be a great one. I feel it. I know it. I believe in myself. And thank you guys so much for already following my journey in this. Thank you guys so much. I did want to go ahead and tell you guys Happy New Year's because we are in a new year, 2020. And I also wanted to say, if my brother's watching this, and you better be watching this, happy birthday. Today is your birthday. Okay, hold on. The water. Sorry about that. He dropped some water. His water cup. So as I was trying to tell you, happy birthday. I think my phone's gonna die. Okay, let's try to make this snappy. Happy birthday, brother. I love you so much. Thank you for being the best brother. Boppers, go ahead and say happy birthday, Nino.
Happy birthday, Nino.
And
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
say love you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.